All right, let's go ahead and kick off the show. We're going to go to George. I know I spoke to George. George is a longtime listener and friend of the Magic Mechanic program, and he called in last week and he asked about getting white wall tires cleaned. He got a new set of tires put on his car, and they looked horrible because the white walls looked terrible. George, tell us how you made out with this.
Larry, you are a genius.
What a way to start a show.
Yeah, I got those Brillo pads at Walgreens with the soap in them, and I went to, speak fast, went to the barber shop to get a haircut, and this old boy comes in, and he wants to borrow $5. So I said, well, I'll tell you, I'll give you $5, but you got to work for it. I said, see those pads there? I said, Dave will give you a bucket here, water. You go out there, you get them finished coconut clean, and you got it. I said, yes, sir, yes, sir. Let me tell you, Larry, he got them so clean. So beautiful now.
So when they hold up those "I'll work for food" signs, you put their butts to work.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. I'll give you the money, buddy, but you got to work for it.
So you sent him out there and made him clean your white walls. I'll be daggone.
Absolutely. I ain't going to give you $5 for nothing. But,
Love it.
Larry, just to tell you, white wall tires are falling out of favor, You remember the binder I gave you, all the classic cars.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That 56 light blue Cadillac convertible. Can you imagine that car with black walls?
Oh, no, no. You know what it really puts me in mind of is one of the cars. When I was a young man, I had a lot of performance old muscle cars and stuff, But then I wound up with this 1973 Mercury Montego. Two-door car, had the factory mags on it, and it did have white walls on it. And I'm telling you, that car it was just beautiful. It was absolutely gorgeous. And, the thing is, it's not just white wall tires. It's any tires that have white lettering on them.
Right.
You need to take a soapy Brillo pad to them, and it's not going to hurt the white wall at all. It's amazing when you've been in the automotive business as long as I have. I just assume everybody knew to use a soapy Brillo pad on their white walls. So you must
a lot of happy people out there now that they know the secret.
But yeah, some cars.
Appreciate it. I'm so proud of that car. You know that.
Oh, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Hey, George, thank you so much for checking in with us and letting us know how it turned out for you.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you, Larry.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, George, Bill, Ed. Hang on for us. We're going to grab a quick break here, come back with more of the Magic Mechanic Show. If you got a question for Larry Perry, call right now, 844-580-9326, 844-580 WDBO, and also send in those open mics. Got about an hour left until we hit those, go through those, get those questions answered. You're listening to the Magic Mechanic Show right here on WDBO.
Now,